It is 2nd of July 2025, and I'm going to demonstrate the latest new feature in the Ethora platform. So once you're in your admin panel, you can go and click on your app. You will see a new tab here on the left side, which was not there before. The tab is called AI Bot. This tab allows you to deploy an AI or LLM powered chatbot into your chat room within your application. So you will see here that you can start and stop this AI bot, and this feature is rolled out for all apps. So all apps, all users, all accounts at Ethora.com have this feature now. You have to choose which chat room your bot will be deployed at. So in my app, there are like 3 chat rooms. I can choose one of them to deploy the chatbot at. There is a display name for the bot. First name, last name. In my case, it's AI bot. The greeting message. So you can choose whenever the bot joins the room, either to greet all the other users, to announce its presence, or just like stay silent. And another important setting is the response trigger. So to which messages, there is a typo here, we'll fix this, but to which messages should the bot respond? And you have 2 options, 2 choices here. Either respond to any message from other users, which could be, depending on your use case implementation, could be the right choice, or if it's a group chat with active communication, you might not want the AI bot to be responding to anything. Another option is to only to messages addressed to the bot by its name, or like replies, threads, or when the user has /the bot prefix in their message. And then this is the prompt. So this is the most important setting probably here. It's kind of prompt or context that we send to LLM for the bot to be aware of your local context, so that it should use in its responses. So in our case, for example, we want the bot to be present in the tech support chat room. You can see here, and to be able to respond like to some simple questions, for example, like this one: how do I create a new app with Ethora? And then it responds. So this response would not have been possible if we just deployed a simple bot based on like OpenAI API without our local context, without our local prompt, supplying it, augmenting it with additional information. This feature, this prompt or context window and you can see it allows to post a lot of information actually here, is used to augment the prompt message to the LLM. So if we had like a standard OpenAI or other LLM responding to the messages, it would not have the knowledge about our specific product, or the URLs that you should use to register, or API documentation and other things. Similarly, for your specific business, you can provide a list of products and services, or again, some local information which large language model would not be aware of due to it's didn't have access to your information, didn't index it, or the knowledge cutoff time of the LLM is too early, and you want to provide the fresh, up-to-date information. So in our case, this has helped a lot, and similarly, like you can just augment this and provide your own specific information in the prompt section. And this is how it works. So when the user asks a certain question, the bot will respond with specific information based on the context that you provided, which is really helpful. So to summarize, why is this why this important and why this is a big deal for everybody, for our users, for customers, for the industry who might be deploying their own apps or integrating chat messaging AI bots into legacy applications. With the Ethora platform, you can do that easily, and now you don't need to do any coding or additional server infrastructure setup to deploy your AI bot. Previously, we had obviously this feature where you could easily build your app. So you can go into our create your new app, change your logo appearance, publish your web app or mobile app, or embed your messaging as a chat widget using our NPM package or iframe. So there are multiple options there. But to have an AI chatbot, you couldn't do that with our admin panel, just like in no code mode, without having to do any of coding or any of the infrastructure. We did provide this option, so we have this repository, Ethora bots, and there are a bunch of bots available in our GitHub repository, and they're open source. So you can have the bots written in Python. You have bots in Node.js. One of them is OpenAI bot, so it's simple for those who know how to work with Node.js or with Python, and who are hands-on with setting up a simple server instance on DigitalOcean or AWS. That would be fairly easy for those for developers to deploy their own bot and to customize the behavior of the bot, to augment the prompt and do those kind of things. However, for most of the users, when they create an app and they have a ready web app or ready mobile app, or they embed a chat widget, NPM package, iframe, WordPress plugin, so they have this chat room, either like a group chat room or one-on-one, and they want to add an AI bot in there. There was no easy solution. Now there is, so all you need to do to make that happen, just go to your AI bot tab in your settings and just modify these settings if you need, provide your local knowledge context, your prompt, and it works. So it will be automatically deployed into your chat room. No coding, no server setup, no OpenAI API keys, nothing is required. It's all handled by Ethora platform. If you want potentially to go deeper and further, there are other options available for retrieval augmented generation, RAG, be able to add documents, crawl URL for your website, advanced options. But for most of the users, most of the customers, most of the projects, this basic functionality actually will be enough. So you simply choose chat room, you choose the display name for your chatbot, modify these basic settings depending on your desired experience, and most importantly, provide prompt or context which you can use to either instruct the bot how it should behave, or to simply, like we did here, provide it with your local business context with specific knowledge it should be aware of. You can copy paste your documentation, you can create a summary about your products and services, just copy paste it into this window, and once you save this, it will be automatically updated, and you will see, like in these messages, for example, it used our old website, and then I updated it in the context window, and it's responding now with a new website. Very simple, very easy to use. Go ahead and try it. Thank you.